Eugene sleeps with his head on a rock instead of a pillow. A brilliant blue morpho butterfly flits by. Then a droplet hits his cheek.
Well, I hope you're here to apologize.
He caresses her blonde hair, then grabs it at the back of her neck and cuts it off with a broken shard mirror. Rapunzel's hair turns brown. As Rapunzel holds the cut hair, the brown color quickly spreads down the whole length of it. Mother Gothel tries to scoop it up.
What have you done? What have you done?
Her skin and hair turn ghostly white. She hurries to the broken mirror, and its remaining shards distort her grotesque reflection. As Mother Gothel pulls her black hood tight over her eyes, she staggers wildly around the room. Pascal yanks on a strand of brown hair, tripping her. She falls out the window. Wait.
What have you done? What have you done?
What's that terrible noise?
Oh no!
What on earth is that sound? I trust we all slept well.
No!
No, 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 no.